Hi, my name is Bart and here's how to work a M1B or make one below. It's a simple way to increase a stitch using the stitch in the row below. I think this is a good increase to add stitches in the middle of a row as it's almost invisible. Alright, to do it, identify the stitch on the row below and lift it onto your left needle as I'm demonstrating here. Knit this lifted stitch as you normally would. Then knit the next stitch as usual. Let's do that again. Lift the stitch. Place it on the needle. Knit the stitch. Then knit the next stitch as usual. And that's the make one below increase. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading more knitting techniques, tips and tricks weekly.